So suppose, let's say we have to do subtraction of two unsigned numbers. Consider x 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and consider y 1 0 0 0 1 1. So we'll keep some rules here. So whenever we have to do m minus n, the steps are we add m to 2's complement of n if m is greater than or equals to n. The sum will produce n carry and we neglect that carry. But if m is less than n, the sum will not produce n carry and the answer that we get has to be 2's complemented again, and the answer will be negative. So we already have our numbers. Let's do x minus y at first. So again, x equals to 1 0 1 0 0 0 and y equals to 1 0 0 0 1 1. So whenever we do x minus y, what we do is we first take the 2's complement of y. So first of all, start with 1's complement of y. So 1's complement of y is going to be 0 1 1 1 0 0, basically inverting each bits in the value y, and then 2's complement will be equal to 1's complement plus 1, which will be 1 0 1 1 1 and 0. So what we're going to do in case of x minus y is x is 1 0 1 0 0 0 and y is, or the 2's complement of y is 0 1 1 1 0 1, and as per our rule we're going to add these two. So basically this is going to be 1 0 1 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 1 plus 1 is 0, and then we get a carry 1 here. So if we see rule number 2, since our m, or the value of x, is greater than or equals to n, the sum will produce the n carry and we will neglect this n carry, which means this will be neglected, and this is our result. But when we do y minus x, now what we need to do is we need to do 1's complement of x, not y. So 1's complement of x is going to be 0 1 0 1 1 1. The 2's complement of x is going to be plus 1, which means 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 1 1 and 0. Now what we do is we do y plus 2's complement of x, so 1 0 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 0 0 and 0. So if we add these two, the result is going to be 1 1 and 1. So we don't consider this the final result. Based on rule number 3, what we see is y minus x equals to negative of 2's complement of 1 1 1 0 1 1. So basically this will mean that we have to do 0 0 0 1 0 0 plus 1 is going to be minus 0 0 0 1 0 and 1. So this is our final answer, which is in negative terms.